Cleanse the space, clear the air. Set the altar, place with care. Mark the bounds with salt or rope, bathed and dressed with sacred hope. Tools are charged, intentions bright, body grounded, soul alight. Circle cast, now walk the round. Quarter calling, speak the sound. Clap and dance, let power rise. Drum the beat beneath the skies. Breathe in deep, then let it flow. Build the rhythm steady, slow. Gest your life or bind with death. Burn it, carve it, stir or tie. Let the spell be born, then fly. Pour the wine or honey sweet. Lay the herbs beneath your feet. Breathe on charm or move the flame. Fix the power, seal the name. Clap or snap or stomp to seal. Snuff the flame, confirm it's real. Walk the circle with her shin. Thank the powers, draw it in. What felt true. This is the right, this is the way. From rising dark to breaking day. Let the current carry thee. Spell complete by my will. It is done by blood and bone. Let it come as I will, so it shall be.